This 2018 Jayco Seneca Diesel 3.7 FS double slide, king bed and bunk beds is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features a Providence, cream, tan, brown classic neutrals, interior, sleeps 10, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, TV, self-contained, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. This 2018 Jayco Seneca Diesel 3.7 FS double slide, king bed and bunk beds is built on a Freightliner S2RV Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.